Okay, so we're gonna do a Nerf battle, and the battle is gonna be a Tommy 20 Buzzbears air gun, which I really like. This gun's so much fun to fire, versus a barricade RV10 Nerf gun. And
okay.
Adam's definitely gonna lose because this only has 10 darts.
Yep.
So it's 20, but I am missing 7 of these darts.
So he has 13, so 3 more than me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Ooh.
Okay, let's go.
I'm losing my voice. Okay, wait. So we're gonna. That is my base, and bases don't really mean anything. And the tree is his base. Okay. War!
Ready, set, go!
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I didn't.
yeah, I did!
Fine, you're all fine. It's jammed. Jammed, dude. It's jammed, dude. What's wrong?
Oh! Go, 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 go!
Oh, wait. This is a problem.
Just don't hold it up.
Oh, it doesn't take Nerf suction darts.
Yeah, I know that.
Sucks.
I'm out of ammo! I'm out of ammo! Wait, there's still one more dart! Still one more dart! Ah! Oh, yes! Don't! This is my money! I won!
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did!
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did!
So the barricade can beat.
He won. He won. He didn't get hit. He didn't get hit once.
My barricade has awesome range.
Stupid Tony.